Now from chapter number 5th, human evolution is important. In that, how human is superior over others, that is special characteristics present in human. So here I will teach you with your textbook only which are special characteristics that are achieved by human. As a result, it become superior to other. These are major changes that took place in evolution of man. In that, first one, increase in size and complexity of brain. Brain size get increased, complexity of brain have been increased, enhanced intelligence, increase in cranial capacity. It is the first feature of human evolution. Then second one, bipedal locomotion. Human can carry out locomotion using two pedals. Then opposable thumb. What is meaning of this opposable thumb? We can use thumb with our other fingers, by means of which we can carry out all types of activities. Opposable thumb. Then erect posture. We are having two pedals, that's why we can stand erect. In shortening of forelimbs and lengthening of hind limbs. हात आहे ते छोटे झाले आणि पाय लांब झाले. डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ चीन, अनुवट डेव्हलप झाली. ब्रॉडनिंग ऑफ पेल्विक गर्डल. डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ lumbar curvature for different body activities like walking, running, sitting, jumping, etc. And one more important, social and cultural development have been achieved by human. Beside that, he articulated speech. He have articulated speech. He carried out different artworks. He have developed different tools of stone, iron, etc. So all of these, they are special features, special characteristic. Generally on this part there come a question for 2 marks. So prepare special characteristics of human. You can observe this table of classification of mammal. This table is also important. Mammals, they are classified into 3 groups as marsupials, meaning pouch mammals like kangaroo. Then monotremes, that is egg-laying mammals like duck-billed platypus. And for third one, eutherians, placental mammals, which give birth to young ones, which are viviparous. So eutherians, they include order primate, having 2 suborders, Prosimy and Anthropoidea. Prosimy, it is having 2 different animals like monkeys. These are lemurs and tarsier. So they may ask question, give examples of animals which belong to order Prosimy, that is lemur and tarsier. You can get diagrams of these organisms in your book. While suborder Anthropoidea include New World monkeys, Old World monkeys, and Hominoidea. So you have to remember these examples of New World, Old World, and Hominoidea. One more important feature, Hominoidea are again divided into 3 groups as Hyalobatidea, then Pungidae, and third one Hominidae. We belong to Hominidae. You have to remember this table. It may come for hot type of MCQ or for fill in the table. Okay. Then it is one more table related with human evolution, number 5.18. In this, we can observe different stages of human evolution: Dryopithecus, Ramapithecus, Australopithecus, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Neanderthal, and Homo sapien. We can get their different features on these different heads. On this side, they have given heads. So, it is quite simple to remember. Go through this table and for single day carry out only single. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ड्रायोपिथिकस घेतला तर ह्याचा ॲपिअरन्स कसा, हा कुठे, ह्याचे फॉसिल कुठे मिळालेले आहेत, पिरियड कोणता आहे, हे सगळे फक्त एकाच दिवशी करायचे, लिहून काढायचे. याप्रमाणे हे सगळे होमोसेपियनपर्यंतचे ॲनिमल आहेत, हे करा. इट इज क्वाईट इम्पॉर्टंट टेबल. इज इट क्लिअर? ओके. Just we have seen important features, special features of human. In that, again focus on that different features in detail. So cranial capacity of human being is increased over a period of time, and large size of frontal lobe help in development of high forehead. So because of large size of frontal lobe, there is a development of forehead. फ्रंटल लोब मोठा झाल्यामुळे कपाळाची निर्मिती झाली. देन इन्क्रीज इन इंटेलिजन्स necessitated physical development so that body and brain could use effectively and productively. So as there is a increase in intelligence, we can use body and brain effectively and productively. Then freedom of forelimbs from locomotory function and opposable thumb led to better utilization of hand for holding objects effectively and development of motor skill. So these are also associated with human development. We have seen bipedal locomotion, upright posture coupled with stereoscopic vision. पुढेच दिसतं आपल्याला, मागचं दिसतं का? नाही. Help man to move around safely on land. Then evolutionary history of man was traced with help of fossil remain found on earth every time. So that is important one. So it is fossil remain which is important. Some of our ancestors and their evolutionary history is given in the table. I have told you prepare that table of 5.18. Then after here, above table clearly shows gradual increase in cranial capacity, shape of skull, dentition of ancestral human till today. So these are different stages of human evolution. Remember this diagram. These are diagrams of human evolution. With this, we have finished chapter number 5. There are only 2 topics. Prepare only the part that I have taught in video. Okay.